Right, so let me show you how to set up the secure folder on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. First of all, make sure you've already set up the normal controls or security features like a password, probably a fingerprint as well. And then now you can go into settings. Beg your pardon. Let's go to settings. On the main settings page, scroll down to security and privacy, tap on that. And then under that, you want to scroll down to more security settings, tap on that, and you should see secure folder. So this is where you can start setting up your secure folder. So tap on continue, and then you're going to see the permissions for your secure folder, read through, and then tap on next. That's going to just give permissions to everything secure folder needs. So give it a moment to set up. And then you can choose how you want to be locking and unlocking the secure folder. Now you can use PIN, password, or pattern, and this is regardless of whatever you're using to unlock the phone itself. So you could be using a password for the phone or a pattern for the phone, then choose PIN for a secure folder. Now for me, just because I don't want to forget, I'm just gonna select pattern again, and I'm gonna select the same pattern I normally use on my lock screen. Now, keep in mind that this is not a very smart thing to do. I'm just doing this because it's a tutorial. And then I'm going to tap OK. That basically means you can be able to reset your secure folder password with your Samsung account. So make sure you enable this. And then also, you could use your fingerprint if you wanted to. So again, it's going to ask for the password, enter it, and then if you've not registered fingerprint, you can quickly do that. If you've already registered a fingerprint, then you won't go through this process. So just a quick fingerprint setup, tap on done, test your fingerprint, and then tap on done. Okay, so now tap on next, and then you can choose what happens when the secure folder is locked. Do you want to allow background activity while locked, or do you want that when the secure folder is locked, it will close all apps that are inside the secure folder? So I'm going to choose that and then tap on done. And then there is your secure folder. So now you can add the things you want to secure into your secure folder. And also, there's now going to be a secure folder app in the app screen, and you can call on it on any time. You have a menu here where you can hide apps. If there's some apps you want to hide, you can just send them to the secure folder, and you can lock and exit at any time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.